we're unboxing a mid-tier sim racing wheel. Let me make this clear. When I originally ordered this box, I ordered it back in May. Today is technically August 15th. I just got it on August 14th. It's about 1 or 2 in the morning. So what we have here is the Thrustmaster TX Leather Edition racing wheel. So this one is the Xbox edition. I'm gonna stop talking, let's get into it. Cut here, cut there. All right. You know what? I'm gonna pull out. Let's look at what else we have. I think this is one of the clamps for the table. I think this is one of them. This is your power cable. Here is, I think this is another clamp. Let's see what we got in here. All right, this might be the actual clamping bolt. It actually looks like I won't be able to take out that much without committing to taking the wheel out. So let's just go for it. Okay, so then there's some foam to protect the wheel, some cardboard, and it looks like we go straight to the business end. Manual. No, I'm a male. We don't read manuals. Okay, this is the base, or the servo as they call it online. And okay, I thought that screw was loose. Okay, so this appears to be the business end. This is what actually mounts to your table. It's not as big as I expected it to be. We just got to get the pedals out. These aren't the pro pedals. There's another tier above this. Other half of the clamp for the wheel. And so it's your gas, your brake. Feels pretty legitimate. That feels like a brake, and then the clutch has some good response. I don't know if there's spring material in there. The clutch definitely feels softer. I don't know if there's a bump stop that stiffens up, but it's a far cry from anything in the arcade. The accelerator is easy to push. So it looks like just a simple, it is 5 cables, so it might be proprietary. I did have an idea about extending the cables if need be. So I'm eager to try this. This is cool. The appeal of having the interchangeable steering wheels just seemed like a small price to pay up front for something that you can choose to upgrade or choose not to, because if you get just the TMX, you're kind of stuck with it. So this is the collar. It would have been cooler if it was like the quick release, but this is still sufficient. All right. Oh, that is so cool to have the full rotation. Well, I was going to leave it at that, but just as part of the unboxing, because there's a lot of people buying these things, or that want to buy these things in 2020. I wanted to undo this one real quick. To this unboxing, I also did what every one of you is going to want to do. I got the shifter to go along with it. And this got delivered way back in May. So anyways, once you open the box, and inside is what everyone's waiting for. And honestly, I remember when this came out some time ago, and I just didn't believe it. More card. Oh, there's the shifter. Okay, so here's the, I don't know if you'll be able to see it there. This is the sequential shift plate that you put to actually use the shifter in sequential mode. So it comes with a tool and the proper screws for that. And then it looks like literally everything else, which is in this bag, is the actual shifter itself in H pattern mode. There you go. It's a 7-speed, so that means you can drive the new, the latest 911, which is a true 7-speed manual. So you can drive that with manual and oh, that's actually That's actually pretty satisfying. I guess maybe it's because I drive. I guess maybe it's because my manual cars are older cars, so they're not as crisp. This is gonna get some use. So that's pretty much it. It looks pretty simple and straightforward. I do know one of these ends plugs directly into the wheel, and it looks like it's a decent length of cable. I had remembered that somewhere along the lines they didn't include a USB cable. This one, I guess maybe because it's a very late model, actually can be plugged directly into the computer itself in the event you want to use it with another wheel, which we're going to test hopefully soon. We have another one coming, and that'll be another video. But for now, that's pretty much it. This is what a basic 3-pedal shifter setup from Thrustmaster would be. Hope to have a, not necessarily a review video, but a quick overview video pretty soon, and I'll catch you later. Thanks for watching.